Hello, welcome back to Let's Play CrossCode. And when last we left, we had been doing a number of different... Ah, there it is. Somebody did tell me that the escape button gave a hint of where you're supposed to go. Head to Gaia's Garden north of Autumn's Fall by yourself. Okay, but we are still doing some side quests, or we were. We have a lot of these things. But there's one, I think we're in, yeah, we're in Rookie Harbor. There's something else we want to do real quick here. And it is to go to Bergen South. I looked up a thing. Do, 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 do. Where are we looking? Not there. Oh, nope. Can't get there from there. Oops. Let's see. Nope. Okay. So this is the part where I try to remember how I got up. Don't fall off. Can I get up here? Nope. Cool. Aha! Hello. Leah! Hi! You gave me quite the scare, again. No, don't worry, I didn't mean it like that. I thought I was absorbed in thought anyway. It's about another item I'm searching for. I thought exploring here might give me a new lead. But at my age, you don't always have time to look everywhere. Now, young lady, you're already here, right? So how about you help me find something again? The choice is yours this time, nothing to redeem yourself from. Broken shield. Ha! And they say kids these days only think about themselves. Let's get right to it then. What I need is the broken shield. I have been wandering this village for hours now, but the only clue I found is an abstract location. The phrase was something like where waterfalls steep and mountains are high. A secret path shall lie. Yes, yes, very ominous. But I'm pretty sure the text speaks of Bergen Trail, so somewhere in Bergen Trail is a secret path or whatever. I want you to go out for me and find it. If you do, I'm sure the shield is close, just like when you got me the broken gauntlet last time. Well, off you go then, and don't keep an old man waiting. I'm not sure how much time I have left. Don't worry, I'm fine. Go now. You're a bit interesting. Okay. Interesting. Okay, there's another thing I want to do when I'm up here. Dang, that didn't work. How to get up there? Well, the answer is obvious. I have to get on there. Nope. Ooh. Can this work? This can work. But doesn't help. Ooh. Or does it? Okay. Interesting. Okay. Bergen Trail, this way. What are you? Excluded mountaintop. Lofty heights. I think that's where we need to go. No, I think we're going to need the fire, actually. Hello, you're hiding in there. You remember all those times you guys ambushed me when I came to harvest this thing? Revenge. Oh, they never really got me, but... Okay. Okay. Not there. All right. Oops. Where is this? That was... annoying. I've done this before, of course. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Okay. Woo! Is this the right place? I can't even shoot you. Excluded mountaintop. How did I get to you before? Frozen cave, old plateau. Hello, Bergen Waterfalls, and there's an exit there. Steep water. Oh, dearie, dearie, dearie. Okay. Need to get to there. How do I get up to there? I need to get to there. Get that self-destruction count up there. How do I get up there? It's not from below because there's a wall there. Interesting. Oh, hello. Huh. Okay. That's not where I want. Nope. Let's see what's over on this side. Nothing useful. Where to? Okay, I can get up to here. I can get over to here. And I can get down to here, but that... leads me nowhere. I can get over to here, but also leads me nowhere. Oh, right. Equipment. Oh, right. I did trade out those, didn't I? I don't know how to get up there. There's something up there. I'm not seeing any particular ways up. That is right there, which means there should already be likely a way for me to get there, because I should have been able to get that. Do, 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 do. Not from there. Okay. That's too far. Oh. Hey, frosted carrot. Okay. This is where we need to go. I'm probably going to have to look it up online to figure out what I'm missing. Not particularly fond of that. I know it's going to be something immediately obvious. Oh well. Going to pause real quick. Hello, welcome back. I'm probably just going to leave it sit for now. You know what, actually, though. Okay. Oop. Sorry. We do need to come this way. Because there's going to be a path up there we want to follow. Trying to remember. Is it up? Nope. Is it? Yeah, it's across here. Okay. Okay. Is it in here? I don't think it's in here. Can we get across to here? No. Okay. Ah ha ha. I see a silhouette of a... Oh, okay. I see what's going on. There we go. Oh. Aha. Yep, okay. Said as if I didn't just, you know, I wasn't quite sure. I saw somebody coming in from a different entrance than I had done. I was like, that's interesting. But on the other hand, I think I found the answer to a puzzle I wasn't looking for. Is it... Let's see. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I found an answer to a different puzzle. This is the puzzle I'm looking for. Bye-bye, seahorses. Now we're up here. Okay. Okay, I think... Well, this is where we want to go. I think. Hello? Oh, hello. Jump puzzle with ice. Oh, hello. You're not on the same level as me. Oh, this is going to be fun. That's timing. Oh dear. It's one of these. Why did I come here? Huh. I don't know. Oh. Isn't this fun? Not exactly sure why I did that. Oh no. Okay. You have to do both sides, don't I? Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Whew. Oh dear. I'm checking something. Yeah, that's what I thought. Did I already, by some happenstance, okay then. I'm not going to call that skill. That was blind luck. And it is time for a new video. See you in a moment.